Network and you're watching CBR English World 360. Microsoft Windows users worldwide, including India, Australia, Germany, United States, UK, and more, are seeing a blue screen issue on their laptops. This has made their systems restart or shut down automatically. Companies like Dell Technologies have started this crash has been caused due to recent CrowdStrike update. The outage, which began on Thursday evening and affected Microsoft's central US region, crippled essential systems for numerous airlines, including American Airlines, Frontier Airlines, Allegiant, and Sun in the country in the US, as well as Indigo and other airlines in India. It was not immediately clear whether all reported outages are linked to CrowdStrike problems or if there were other issues at play.